Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. Friends, in this session again we are going to create our own custom object detection model which detect a custom vehicle class. Basically we are going to detect here auto rickshaw, which is custom vehicle class which is not available in a pre-object detection model. With the help of YOLOv12 pre-object detection model, you can basically detect car, truck, then bus, but you cannot detect a vehicle which is auto rickshaw. So auto rickshaw is basically the custom class which we are going to train, and then we are going to detect auto rickshaw. So before we move to our practical, friends, if you learned something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much, and let's get started. So friends, as I mentioned, today I will show you how you can use Roboflow for custom vehicle detection. You need simply any video, or you need a scenario where you want to detect that particular custom vehicle. Simple. So for today I have created a new repository, custom vehicle YOLOv12. I will mention the link. Simply copy paste the link inside web browser. Then, as we always do, just go to the code and click on download zip. It will download our zip format repository. So let me open the repository. Go to the downloads. This is what our repository. Right click, click on extract all, click on extract, and it will open our repository. Just open again. So let me show you first video file. So this is what our video file. As I mentioned, friends, here we will create our own custom object detection model which will detect the auto rickshaw. So the auto rickshaw is not basically a pre-trained object detection model class. We will use YOLOv12 pre-trained object detection model for detecting like car, then the motorcycle, then we can detect bus, but we cannot detect auto rickshaw. So for that, how we can train the model which detect auto rickshaw? So we will use this video file, and then we will create our own custom model which will draw the rectangle along with the class name on each particular rickshaw. Simple. So let's get started. We will use this particular scenario for training purpose. Remember one thing, friends, the model which I will create, it will only go with this scenario. If you want to detect any custom vehicle, you need that particular scenario CCTV video. Simple. So let's get started. So first we will send this video to Roboflow. So just open Roboflow, sign in with your Gmail account, and just log in. Click on get started. It will start the Roboflow, and then we will create a new project. So just click on new project, mention the name. So I will mention project name, let's just say YOLOv12, and the annotation group which I have already explained, annotation group which will be any of your class which you are going to train. So right now we have only one class which is the auto rickshaw. So I will mention here auto rickshaw. Simple. Auto rickshaw is our class which is the single class, and then project type, of course, object detection, bounding boxes. Create the project. It will create our project. Now here we want to upload our video file. You can upload any YouTube video, you can upload any images with the help of the folder. Right now we have our file, so select file and go to the downloads. This is what our repository, and we have our video file. Click on open. Now it will open our video file. So this is what our video file, and it says 9 images, but 9 images is not enough. Of course, we will use this button, we will use this slide bar for adjusting the images. So we will go with 57 images. 57 images is more enough for demo purpose. How it works? You can go with at least 481 images. Okay, so 57 images is enough. That's it. So I have select the slide bar, I have move, and then 57 images is the enough. click on choose frame rate. Now it will choose the frame rate as per our images, and it will create number of 57 images. So friends, we uploaded our images. As you can see, we successfully uploaded our images. Now just click on save and continue. It will save all the images. So there is our images. As you can see, now here we will select start manual labeling. Just mention your Gmail ID, click on assign to myself. It will assign the images. Click on start annotating, and now we can annotate our images. Simple. So as I mentioned, our object is basically the auto rickshaw. So let's just select it. Let's just draw the bounding box on it. Again, just click on it, and then here you will see the bounding box tool. Okay, so by default basically there is a bounding box tool. So we draw one rectangle. Now let's just draw on this particular, just if there is no rectangle, as you can see it's not drawing, just select it tool, and when you will see this kind of basically the line, with the help of this you can draw the rectangle. Simple. So let's just draw it like this way. Okay, click on save. This is what our class, because we already mentioned the group name, so there is already annotation editor. Let's just say auto rickshaw. So click on save. Now let's just draw on this auto rickshaw rectangle. Okay, click on save. Then we have here also, draw it, click on save. Now what we will do, as I mentioned, we will use here AI labeling process, AI labeling, this tool which we use for in last session. So first what we want to do, we want to draw only some of objects which we want to train. So here as you can see I have draw 1 2 3 4 rectangle on the auto rickshaw. Now after that we will use this tool, box prompting AI labeling. Just select it. Now it will choose automatically the objects. As you can see it choose. Okay, but there is some false detection. As you can see, this is not auto rickshaw, this is not auto rickshaw, this is also. So what we can do, we can change this confidence level. We can change the confidence level. So let's just increase the confidence level. So as you can see, now there is no fault detection. We increase the confidence level with 73%. As you can see, the confidence is now 73%. So if you go back, the confidence is low, 36. You can just increase the confidence, 72. Okay, 69 is enough. As you can see, now we have only auto rickshaw, but there is a car. Here it is, as you can see. So let's just make like this way. Okay, now it is good. As you can see, 71%. We can only detected here auto rickshaw. There is no other object. Simple, there is no other object. We have only auto rickshaw detected with the help of this AI labeling tool. Remember one thing friends, first you need to select the bounding box tool, draw the rectangle on some of the objects. Here I have draw some of auto rickshaw, the rectangle. Then you can select this tool and it will automatically draw the rectangle on each class. Just click on approve. Now as you can see, we have rectangle on each auto rickshaw. Now go for next image. Now it will automatically choose. As you can see, it will automatically choose. Simple. Now just what we want to do, here it is. As you can see, again there is a car selected, so we can adjust. We can adjust this. As you can see, now there is no car, only auto rickshaw. So just select it. You can see the 18 rectangle we have here. Go for next image. As you can see, now it's perfect. There is no car detected, only auto rickshaw. Just click on approve it. Go for next image. Again it will automatically select the class. Just approve it. Go for next image. Again it will work. As you can see, there is the auto rickshaw class which automatically selected. Again just click on approve it, go for next image, again same way. So this is how friends you can most easily now annotate the class using this box prompting tool. Now it is really easy, there is no need to draw a rectangle manually. First just select the bounding box tool, draw the rectangle on the object. Simple. I have draw here 3 rectangle on 3 auto rickshaw, then I have select the tool, AI labeling tool, and then it will draw automatically a rectangle on each auto rickshaw. Simple. So let me finish the process, then I will start video again. So friends, our annotation process is completed. As you can see, this is what our last image, 56 out of 56 we have done. Now let's just click on the project name, which is YOLOv12, select it, and here you will see 0 unannotated and annotated 56, means we have completed our annotation process. Now just click on add 56 images to dataset, click on add images, and it will add our images. Simple. So let's just delete this ad. This is basically the ad. So we have done, we have our images ready. Simple. Let's just close it, and here you will see dataset 56, means we have 56 images. Just click on versions, then we want to click on train and test split, go to the edit and click on rebalance, and we will rebalance it. So just let's just say 10, and here we are going to select valid 6 and test 4. Simple. Click on save, click on continue, then again click on continue, and then click on create. It will create our data set. So friends, we have completed our data training process. Now we need our Google Colab. So let me open Google Colab. So friends, I have opened Google Colab. Here we want to select upload, click on browse, and then we will upload our file, the Colab file. Go to the downloads. This is what our repository, custom vehicle YOLOv12, selected the file, and it will upload our Colab file. So we uploaded our Colab file. Just go to the runtime, change runtime type, select T4 GPU and select Python 3. Click on save, and then just click on connect. Now we have connected. Now we will run our cell one by one. So let's just run first cell, second cell. It will install Ultralytics. Simple. So friends, we completed our Ultralytics installation. Okay, pip install Ultralytics. The cell is completed. Now let's just import packages. Ultralytics import YOLO, IPython display. Then here we will cross check if our Ultralytics perfectly installed or not. For that we will use YOLOv12s.pt model, and we will use the image from Roboflow, which is doc.jpeg. So friends, we successfully run our YOLOv12s.pt using doc.jpeg image, and result is basically saved inside runs, detect and predict. So if you just click on this folder icon, there is a runs, then there is a detect, and then there is a predict, and inside that we have doc.jpeg image along with the detection. As you can see, we use YOLOv12s.pt. There is a dog, there is a person, and there is a handbag. Simple. So let's just close it. It means we successfully installed Ultralytics. Now we want to upload our code here from Roboflow. So let's just open the Roboflow where we left. So this is what our page. Click on download dataset, select format YOLO12, then from download options select show download code, click on continue. Now it will create the zip code. So friends, this is what our code. Now simply copy it from to at the end. Just copy it from to YOLO12. Just copy it. Open it our Colab file, and here from to at the end delete it, and then just press Ctrl+V. It will paste the new code which we copy it from here. Then just run the cell. Now what it will do, it will create the dataset folder, and inside that dataset it will mount the test, valid and train folder along with the data.yml file. So just click on the folder icon. As you can see, it's created dataset folder. Click on it, YOLOv12 -1 or -1. Then we have test, train, valid. Then we have data.yaml file. Just double click on it, and this is what our class auto rickshaw. We want to mention this path over here. So for train folder, we have train. Just click on three dot, click on copy path, remove the old path from here, Ctrl+V, then val means valid, go here, click on three dot, copy the path, remove the old path, Ctrl+V, then test, go to the here, test, three dot, copy path, then remove it the old path, Ctrl+V, paste it, done. So we need to change this train val test path from the folder here. Simple. So we have done with changes. Now just click on here, just sure we have here our cursor, then now just press Ctrl+S, it will save the file data.yml, done. Now scroll down. Now this is the main code for starting training. So here we want to mention the data.yml file path. So data.yml, again three dot, click on copy path and just remove the old path, remove it like this way. Data is equal to our new data.yml path. Just press the space button. Okay, so YOLOv12 s.pt, our model, then data is equal to, this is the data.yml path, this is the file, then epoch 100, image size 640. Now let's just run the code, it will start our training. So friends, as you can see, our training is started. It will take some time. Let me pause video. So friends, we completed our training and our model is saved inside runs, detect and train. Just click on this folder icon, then we have here runs. As you can see, runs, detect, then train, then we have weights, then we have base.pt, which is our model. Three dot, then click on download and it will download our model. So we successfully downloaded our model. So let's just minimize and let's just open our downloads folder, base.pt, right click, cut it, go inside our YOLOv12 vehicle, custom vehicle main. Basically this is what our repository, paste it. So we have our model. Now we will simply open our test.py with the help of Thony Python IDE. So go to the tools, manage packages and open cv-python, open cv-python, first package, click on install button here, just it will install open cv-python. It is really easy. And then we need ultralytics package, hit enter, first package, click on install button, done, it will install ultralytics. Then we need a cv zone package, hit enter, first package, click on install button, done, it will install cv zone. So this is what our video file name and this is the model name, and the method which is a by default method which available on Ultralytics website, which I have already explained in several previous video. I have created the playlist, I think YOLO12 projects, so I will mention this video also in that playlist. Watch the playlist, then you will get the idea. So all the things are same, there is no change, only we created the model which now detect our own custom vehicle. So now let's just run the code. And friends, as you can see, this is what our result. We have here auto rickshaw class and the track ID, because we have Ultralytics by default track ID, and because I have stopped the while loop, so if I want to move the frame one by one, simply press the space button. As you can see, there is a track ID and we detected our class which is the auto rickshaw. Simple, as you can see. So with the help of Roboflow, now it is really easy to create your own custom object detection class. Simple. So it is really easy. Now what we will do, we will simply start our while loop. Let's just start it. So friends, I have started the while loop, and as you can see, this is the result. We create our own custom object detection model which detect auto rickshaw, the custom vehicle class. Simple. So I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. I have mentioned the full code. I will mention the model also. Also, I will mention the Google Colab file. So we will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.